It's Nelson with United Farms showing you our pyramid again here at Sac City College. This is just a demo system of hydroponics. Um, so here I'll just pull a few plants. You can see how they're doing. I think we dropped it off like a week ago. So you have this guy. Looks pretty good. It's a kale. And then you have this guy here too. So in a 2 square foot space, you can have close to 100 plants, and that was the idea. The least amount of footprint with the most productivity. I see two guys over there that are not doing very well. They look a little yellowish, but it could be because they're on the light and also different variety of letters. So we have inlets in every layer in order to guarantee equal distribution of nutrients. Instead of finding some areas you get plants that are greener than other, and then that also allows distribution from the front going back, so these guys can guarantee always getting fresh nutrients instead of just being distributed back. And that's why we didn't put the drain on that side, so the drain is on this side for that reason. Yeah, you can see these guys are doing very well as well. So okay, thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you.